So this question is just dealing with the basic concept of probability, which one way of looking at it is a fraction where the numerator, the top number, is the number of successes, and the denominator, the bottom number, is the total number of possibilities. And this is assuming that all the possibilities are equally likely. So here we have 10 cards. One card is randomly chosen. What's the probability of choosing a letter from N to Q? So let's think about successes. How many successes are there? And we have N, O, P, and Q. There's 4 that are within that range. So we'd have 4 successes, and then we have 10 total cards. So 4 out of the 10 will be successes. It wants it as a fraction, so we're going to write 4 divided by 10. We could simplify this to be 2 out of 5.